Here are 66 facts about the Mercedes CLA 180 AMG Line Executive Coupe. Design and features. 1. Sleek aerodynamic design with a low-slung stance. 2nd. Sloping roofline for a sporty appearance. 3rd. AMG Line exterior trim with distinctive front and rear bumpers. 4. 18-inch alloy wheels with a twin-spoke design. 5th. Sport suspension for improved handling. 6th. LED high-performance headlights with a distinctive design. 7. LED taillights with a unique light signature. 8. Chrome-plated exhaust tailpipe. 9. Panoramic sunroof with a UV filtering glass. 10th. Rain-sensing windshield wipers. Performance and technology, 11.1.3-liter turbocharged petrol engine. 12th. 136 horsepower and 200 Newton-meters of torque. 13th. 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. 14. Front-wheel drive. 15. 0 to 62 miles per hour in 9.3 seconds. 16. Top speed, 134 miles per hour, electronically limited. 17th. Combined fuel economy, up to 44.8 miles per gallon. 18. CO2 emissions, 125 grams per kilometer. 19th. Euro 6D- temp emissions standard. 20. Start-stop technology, safety and convenience. 21. 5-star Euro NCAP rating. 22nd. Comprehensive suite of airbags. 23rd. Active brake assist. 24th. Lane keeping assist. 25th. Speed limit assist. 26th. Attention assist. 27th. Rear view camera. 28th. Parktronic parking system. 29th. Blind spot assist. 30. Keyless go starting system. Interior and comfort. 31. Premium interior with sports seats. 32nd. Flat-bottomed steering wheel. 33rd. Leather-trimmed steering wheel. 34. Heated front seats. 35th. Dual-zone climate control. 36. 40-20-40 split-folding rear seats. 37th. 460-liter boot capacity. 38th. Through-loading system. 39th. ISOFIX child seat mounting points. 40. Rear armrest with cup holders. Infotainment and connectivity. 41.10.25-inch touchscreen display. 42nd. MBUX infotainment system. 43rd. Navigation with real-time traffic updates. 44th. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. 45th. Bluetooth connectivity. Qwerty a 6 DAB radio. 47th. 12-speaker Burmester surround sound system. 48th. Wireless charging tray. Exterior colors and trim. 49. Available in 6 exterior colors. 50th. AMG Line exterior trim. 51st. Chrome-plated exhaust tailpipe. 52nd. High-gloss black exterior accents. Pricing and availability. 53. Priced from around £32,000. 54. Available to order now. 55. Built at Mercedes-Benz's plant in Kecskemét, Hungary. Warranty and maintenance. 56. 3-year unlimited mileage warranty. 57th. 3-year roadside assistance package. 58. 12-year anti-corrosion warranty. Miscellaneous. 59. 12-volt battery. 60th tire repair kit. 61st. Space-saving spare wheel. 62nd. BMW mobility system. 63rd. BMW connected drive system. 64th. BMW intelligent emergency call system. 65th. Vehicle tracker. 66. Remote online services.